So this is the control key, this is the shift key, and this is the escape key. So if you press this control key, shift key and escape key, these three keys at the same time, this is the most common method for opening the task manager in your Windows computer. So if you want to open the task manager, you must press these three keys, the control key, shift key and escape key at the same time. Okay, another method is you can press the control key, alt key and this delete key. You must press these three keys at the same time, control key, alt. You must press the control key, alt key at the same time. You must press this delete key also. So if you press that three keys at the same time, an option like this, alright, and after that from there you can choose the task manager from here. Hope this video is useful. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.